Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
See, this is what actually now, okay, you should see the image. These are basically the images, right? What are the things that you see in the toolbar? So these are basically the image-based recording. So this is a copy that object.click, and this is the clipboard, the paste, and cut. So this way it's going to record based on the image, the insert recording, image-based recording. Whenever you run, then it's going to do the same thing. It's going to identify that image. Okay, cut, paste, copy. So it's going to select those panels. Okay, that's basically the insert recording based on the images. So if you go to the normal recording, the default recording mode, nothing gets recorded. But when you switch to the insert recording, yes, you see something recorded in your script. Questions?
I can hear you.
Hello?
Sam, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Sorry.
But I didn't understand her question. Like Nishi is saying WS, the use for this. I don't know. What is that?
Actually, I wanted to know what is the use for this, and is it used for the web applications also?
Oh, what is the use for this? This is to test this kind of interface. That's what I told you. This is a ribbon interface. When you do the normal recording, nothing gets recorded, and then your script don't work. Whereas if you switch to the insert recording, then it works.
Thank you, Sam.
Yeah.
And it can be used in the web application side.
If you want to use the applications developed based on the ribbon interface. Ribbon interface is a new technology from Microsoft. Some of the applications in the real time, they are using the technology to develop their applications. If your application is one of them, then if you're asked to develop automation scripts to test that application, then you have to you can use this feature.
Okay, thank you.
These objects get added to object repository too?
Let's see.
So that when we are like creating, if we want to enhance a script, so we could do.
Okay, this is what object repository says. Okay. Okay, and yeah, Meena, you have a question.
No, a similar question that Nishi had. No.
Okay.
What are the common scenarios where we use this? Thanks. I think similarly, my add-ins do not have. So you have to start with the web service add-in, and that's when you get all these, I guess, because my ISTQB does not.
Nothing to do with web service. This is all entirely different.
So how do I? Because when I click on the automation, or then what add-in should we have?
No add-in. This is the feature in 11.5.
Oh, 11.5. Okay.
Okay. The next thing is the page checkpoint. So how you create a page checkpoint, particularly for the web applications, right? So you open an application. Let's say I want to record some web application, and then I can create a page checkpoint. So for example, this is the application. So newtools.demo80.com, and then that opens my application. And now I can see basically like here, you will get all those checkpoints in this small toolbar. So you will get all those checkpoints. That's also like they make the things more easy. You can also, instead of going to QTP and then or UFT, select from the menu. You can also select from this toolbar what are the checkpoints that you want to do. So we can insert a page checkpoint basically as the standard checkpoint. Okay, so select the standard checkpoint and then go to, okay, this is the application. Let's do one more time. So standard checkpoint, and click anywhere on this page. And now we are going to select the page object in this hierarchy. Okay, select the page object in this hierarchy and click OK. So now it's going to give you the properties of the page. That is going to tell, okay, how many images it's going to verify, how many links it's going to verify. And also it's going to, there is one more feature called the broken links, the checkbox. So if you check this, whenever you run this script, then it's going to tell whether all the links that are displayed on this page, are they working or anything that broke, right? So this basically gives you, once you select the standard checkpoint, that's going to display the page properties, the checkpoint, and then you're going to select what are the properties that you want to check. And particularly this broken links is very important for the web applications. And then click OK. And so let's now update so that you see a checkpoint inset into your script. And whenever you run it, then it's going to show you, and then it verifies all those things. And then it seems like there is something that is failed. Then you're going to look at like why it is failed, and then so this is the checkpoint. Then it says, okay, how many number of images it verified, and how many number of links it verified, and what are the things that get failed. So mostly these are basically the banners, the dynamic things. Here you see the images, so those gets failed. Whereas the rest of the things, you see the links and everything is working. Only the images, because these are the banners, right? Sometimes like you'll get the flash screens on the page that gets changed. So those things gets failed. There are the links. So these are all the links. They verified successfully and no failures so far, but there is one thing that is failed. Maybe I think this is also a GIF file image. So most of the time, the broken links say that gets failed, whereas the banners, that kind of things, the flash feeds, there you see most of the failures. Whereas the links, they work. They should work. If something that there is a broken link, obviously there is an issue in the application, you're going to report that issue to the development team. Okay. So this is the paycheck. Instead, basically it's a standard checkpoint. Some people might confuse, okay, when they start recording and they go here, oh my gosh, there is no pay checkpoint where it is. So it is a standard checkpoint. Standard checkpoint you can think of if you want to capture any object properties, right? Here the page is an object and you want to capture the properties of an image. So like properties of the page. So standard checkpoint is basically to check the properties of any object. That is the bottom line. Any questions?
Sam, in the page checkpoint, we see that most of the things gets failed, right?
That's what I said. Those are related to the images. So we don't do that check. The images, that's okay. You can suppress them. So they're not really the banners, that kind of thing, the flash images.
Yeah. So, like, how do we separate them, or what should be the approach? Because we don't want to, get our result as failed.
There is other way, like you can also create the checkpoints. If you don't want that way, then you can also go to Tools Options. Okay, so whenever you do the things, right? So here there is one GUI testing, and there is a web advanced, and here also like you can do the checks. What are the checks that you want? Just I want to verify, create a pay checkpoint. But just I want to verify only the properties. No, I don't want anything else. Okay, I don't want the image source, or I don't want anything else. You can also do that way.
Okay. Is this feature available in QCC LSM?
Yes.
The one that you showed?
Yep. That's available.
Okay. Can you show me the location where that feature is again?
It is under Tools Options.
Okay. Thank you.
Any other questions? Okay. And the next thing that I want to show you on this UFT is dynamic content check. So that is also one of the enhancements they did from QTP on this UFT. Dynamic content file check. So basically, let's create one text file. On any of this. Okay. Whew. Okay. Let's create one. Say demo.
Sam, sorry to interrupt. I have one question.
I want to create one text file. Okay. Just after this, I want to answer them.
Okay.
And then, so here I'm going to provide some test, and then I'm going to save this. I save into that folder, so see demo, and then it's something text check. This is the file name. Save it, and then so this is the file. So now I'm going to create a GUI test for this. So now I'm going to create a text check. Is it got? I'm going to say here again under the checkpoint list, you will get file content check. Right? So you're going to select this checkpoint and then just select that file. Which file you want to check. So the demo, this is the text check, right? So that now once you select that file, now it's going to show you, okay, this is the content, which one you want to verify. So, okay, now I want to select all those lines. So just I want to make sure this particular text should display the same across different versions, right? And then, so click OK. Then stop recording. So you got this file content check. Let's run this. So it passed. Basically, because there is no change. So that's what it says. It's verified, and then no change. That's why it's passed. Now let's try to change that file. Go to this folder. Then I want to add some more lines. Or I want to change the existing one also. And then save this. And do the same thing. Let's run the same script. Because the file is changed, and now it says it's failed. So now we are interested, like, okay, what are the things that are changed? So now it's going to say, okay, this is what actually the expected thing, but this is what actual thing. So this is changed, and also one more new line is added. That's what it says, added one more new line, and also modified one line. So this way, most of the time, see, this verification, what you do is, you will get the terms and conditions and all the stuff, right? Whenever so for example, you are creating a Gmail, you will get the terms and conditions, right? So you want to verify the text. Whatever the terms and conditions that are displayed on that page, you want to verify the content. Or you want to verify the user manuals, the PDF contents, the PDF files, or anywhere, like you want to verify the dynamic content. Or if your application generates some files at runtime, so you want to make sure what are the files that the application generates, the content should be same. So you can create all those dynamic content text checkpoints to verify the text. Questions?
If the test was just like it's same, but let's say we move the test to line 2, like TEST, it's instead of in first line, it's second line. Then again, it will fail. It checks the position also, whether it's at the same position or no.
I think so.
Okay. It's like a Notepad++. You compare the two files. It's like a similar feature.
Yeah, there is a manual thing. This is automation.
Okay.
Sam, I have a question. When we did the page standard checkpoint and the page checkpoint, I ran one in one of my pages, and it had one of the on the results, everything passed, but on the results it told couple of links and told status is not checked. So what does that mean? Like QTP could not recognize it, or but the test did not fail. There's no warning. But on the results, if I open it, it says a couple of links. And then it says not checked. Maybe it's not a part of the application, or?
I'm not sure. Unless until I see the application, I cannot tell.
Okay. And another question is this is the function that you explained. The particular tool is for 11.5. But if I use the text area checkpoint, with what I have, the QTP 10, will it verify, like, I get a final page where, like you said, terms and condition page comes up. So will I be able to verify the content of the page using the text area checkpoint?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Because text area is basically you can select the paragraph. You can drag and drop, and then it's going to select the paragraph, and then you can verify it.
So for that, do I, can you show me somewhere, or like, is it just record it and then do I have to highlight the whole place, or just click on somewhere on the page and then it shows?
Basically, once you select the text area, it gives the cursor.
Okay.
You will see the cross hair. That just you have to do drag and drop. What are the text that you want to verify? You have to select the text.
Okay. Okay, I'll try it and let you know. Thanks.
Yeah. the menu, and now they say like design that part. So they changed the GUI part, but the functionality wise, those options are there, and it's the same. Okay. Hello? Can you hear me? Oh, might be frequency disconnecting. Okay, guys, any questions? If you don't have any questions, then that's all for this session. So, hope you enjoyed my classes because I think we did 3 weeks, right? 3-week classes. Very extensive classes every day, right? Every day, 3-week classes. And also in the evenings, like the script issues. So anyway, it's you guys like have to do a lot of practice and then try to use these features in your projects. That's where actually you'll get. I know, because learning the things in the class is different from once you start working on it. That's where you'll get more and more issues. Oh my gosh, okay, Sam explained this thing, but it's when I start working on the project, oh no, it's not working in my application. That's where more challenge, right? So I know because even I face the same problem. Though I didn't go to for any kind of trainings, but I learned these things on my own. But that's what, because I explored the things on my own. That's how actually I learned. I didn't learn any tool in QA. So that's what actually I'm doing for the past 14 years. So anyway, so that's what like I want you guys to tell just one thing.
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website H2KInfosys.com. On our website H2KInfosys.com, you will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.